This effective herb dissolves kidney stones naturally. Kidney stones are small masses of salts and minerals that form inside the kidneys and may travel down the urinary tract. Kidney stones range in size from just a speck to as large as a ping pong ball. Signs and symptoms of kidney stones include blood in the urine and pain in the abdomen, groin or flank. About 5% of people develop a kidney stone in their lifetime. This simple homemade remedy works effectively in dissolving kidney stones and prevents its formation. Let's see what is the herb and how it works. Phyllanthus niruri, known as Bhumi Amla. Phyllanthus niruri, also known as stonebreaker, canker piedra and gale of wind. We can find this herb in rainy season mostly. Phyllanthus niruri has shown high success rates in kidney stone treatment. This herbal remedy breaks down and prevents the development of new kidney stones. All natural canker piedrae has been shown and scientifically crush the kidney stones to dissolve them and allow easy passing of remnant stone materials. Studies have shown almost instantaneous pain elevation following the consumption of canker piedra. The name canker piedra itself translates literally to stone breaker. Scientists and doctors globally have praised the use of this herbal remedy in the treatment of kidney stones. The analogous compounds in Phyllanthus niruri help ease pain while passing stones and reduce them in size so the particles can pass through your urine stream easily. In addition, Phyllanthus niruri builds a defense system, so to speak, so recurrence of kidney stones is drastically reduced. This is due to the herbal remedy's formation reduction of the minerals that build up in the kidneys to produce kidney stones. Excess oxalate, phosphorus and magnesium results in formation. Instead of spending days on drinking olive oil, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, use this simple remedy which is more effective. Bhumi Amla is a best effective alternative solution for preventing kidney stones. It is a small herb with small leaves. It is also known as seeds under leaves. You can find seeds under these leaves. Consume 2 fresh leaves daily in the morning. It dissolves your kidney stones and prevents the occurrence. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.